going down just weeks after his 41st birthday. He's returning to the Saints for a 20th season in the NFL. After coming up short the last 3 years, he said in an Instagram post, "Let's make another run at it," and added he looks forward to the grind and the journey, but the reward at the end will be worth it. The Eagles have reportedly released veteran linebacker Nigel Bradham. Ryan Newman remains hospitalized in Florida following the crash in yesterday's Daytona 500, but is awake and speaking with family and doctors. He's in serious condition. His injuries suffered in that crash are not considered life-threatening. It's late February, and there are several great stories in college basketball. Baylor is currently #1 in the nation and has won 22 in a row. The top-ranked Bears look to extend their winning streak tonight and go for a Big 12 record for consecutive wins when they host Oklahoma. Winning to the Bears this weekend is third-ranked Kansas, which won last night. Fifth-ranked Dayton enjoying its highest ranking in 65 years. The Flyers go for their 15th straight win tonight at VCU. And Penn State is no longer just a football school. The Nittany Lions are ranked 9th this week and take on Illinois. Penn State just a game behind Maryland for the Big Ten lead. Head coach Patrick Chambers just trying to navigate the waters in one of the toughest conferences in college basketball.
I've never seen anything like it. I'm watching Illinois on tape, and it's frightening how tough they are and what they're able to do on both ends of the floor. So, great challenge ahead of us. We got to keep getting better and keep trying to play Penn State basketball.
The Terrapins will try to improve on Saturday's win at Penn State. They're home to meet Northwestern. For Jack.
This is Zach Gill. Join us later when we'll be joined by the University.